What's up, Digitamerz? Welcome back to my unboxing channel, and today we're going to be unboxing ta-da! It's a Megahouse for Digitamerz for Guilmon and Matsuda. So without further ado, let's unbox. So on top, and voila, you can see over here, this is in front of the box. You can see Guilmon and Matsuda Takato. You can see the window is very nice box actually. You can see the promo picture over here. You can even see the figure. You have Matsuda and also Gilmon. As you guys may know, this is actually a re-release production from Megahouse. So the box, the back of the box, the other side, top and bottom. So let's unbox. Knife. This one. That's two. And that's three. I'm very careful with the box. As you can see inside here, they do have like a background, background, like the cloud, all the clouds. Yep. Let's put it this way. Let's open our figure. So as you guys can see, you do have a Matsuda, Gilmon, and also the alternate face that you can change for Matsuda. And also you have the base. Okay. Over here you have the base. It's a clear, translucent yellow base. So over here is Takato and Gilmon. Megahouse. Okay, as I mentioned before, this is a re-release production. It's from Megahouse. It's released on. It's supposed to released before on 2016. So basically, they're just using the same base, same mold, and everything. Let's take out the Gilmon first. As you can see over here, they are wrapped in plastic. Ooh. I do love Megahouse product because normally they have very nice painting job. Ooh. Okay, over here is Gilmon. Oh, this is very nice. Even on the bottom part, you can see the Gilmon stomach and also the logo. And as usual, the eyes. You can see a bit of shadowing over here. Very nice. It's more like a dark red, more like a maroon. Even the mouth. Maybe a little bit of paid misfortune over here, but everything else is quite nice. It's very detailed actually. Let's put it over here, and let's have Matsuda. So over here we have Matsuda in a sitting position. Oh, you can actually move the head. I'm quite sure this is on a ball joint. A very nice painting. The paint job is actually not bad at all. Even on the bottom part of the shoes. The coloring as well. And very detailed, even the headband for the goggles. The face is very nice. Even the mouth, you can see, is a very good job in painting. And it also comes with the alternate face for Matsuda. So the alternate face for Matsuda is a winking face. That's all I would say, that the difference. But in terms of the smiling, yeah, in terms of the smiling is a little bit similar. I would say the winking face is just the difference that the face make. Yep. So as you guys may know, this is actually a statue. They don't have any articulation whatsoever. Only on the head is on a ball joint, I assume. You can rotate 360. Move a little bit down and a little bit up, but that's all that I can do. So let's put it, and we just put it on the base like normal. They don't have any pack for you to put it on the base, just put it like this. For Gilmon, we just, how is it gonna go? Is it like this, or maybe like this? Oh yes, like this. It's like Gilmon grabbing Matsuda. Yeah, they just put it like this. You see that Gilmon is on top of Matsuda. Let me just make it for you guys can see. It's a very nice figure, and I'm glad actually that Megahouse make a re-release production for this, because before this it's quite hard to get this, and I didn't have the money to get this, and the price actually kind of goes up before the re-release. So I'm not quite sure to get these guys, but due to the release production, so the price is actually on a normal, I would say quite normal, around $65. Yep, around $65 if I'm not mistaken. So not bad. It's very cute actually. Well, actually my favorite is from Digimon Adventure, but I also do love Digitamerz as well. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next upcoming videos, for the next unboxing. And I will put a screenshot for these figures. Do leave a comment and subscribe if you don't. If you're not yet subscribed. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe everyone. Bye bye.